Microbio. Revitalizing forests and enhancing carbon sequestration naturally. In a world grappling with the twin crises of deforestation and climate change, the restoration and protection of forests have become critical imperatives. Forests, the Earth's lungs, play a pivotal role in absorbing carbon dioxide, enriching biodiversity, and maintaining ecological balance. At Microbio, we are on a mission to revitalize forests and enhance carbon sequestration using nature's blueprint combined with advanced technology. The challenge: declining forest health, deforestation, soil degradation, and habitat loss have severely impacted forests worldwide. These challenges threaten not only biodiversity but also the critical ecosystem services forests provide. Soil in degraded forests often lacks the microbial diversity and nutrients essential for supporting a thriving habitat. Microbio is revolutionizing forest remediation through its proprietary microbial formulations, advanced monitoring technologies, and a commitment to sustainability. We believe in restoring forests the way Mother Nature intended, as rich, diversified ecosystems brimming with life. How Microbio works with nature. Restoring soil health naturally. Healthy soil is the foundation of vibrant forests. Microbio's proprietary microbial and mycorrhizal formulations rebuild soil ecosystems by enhancing nutrient cycling. Beneficial microbes break down organic matter and release essential nutrients, improving soil structure. Mycorrhizae produce glomalin, a substance that binds soil particles, reducing erosion and increasing water retention. Promoting tree root development. Symbiotic relationships with tree roots expand their network, boosting nutrient uptake and resilience, increasing biodiversity and habitat resilience. Microbio's solutions create conditions conducive to diversified plant and animal life. Accelerated tree growth. Microbial biofertilizers and biostimulants enhance tree survival and growth, supporting afforestation and reforestation, boosting vegetative cover. Enhanced soil and tree health allow understory vegetation to thrive, attracting pollinators, insects, and other wildlife. Carbon sequestration. Thriving forests capture more carbon dioxide, mitigating climate change, protecting forests for future generations. Microbio's advanced forest monitoring and protection systems ensure long-term forest health and sustainability. Real-time monitoring. IoT-enabled devices track soil conditions, microbial activity, and tree health. Early threat detection. Advanced sensors detect pest infestations, diseases, and environmental stressors early, enabling timely intervention. Adaptive management. Data-driven insights guide reforestation strategies and conservation efforts. The Microbio advantage. Nature-inspired solutions. Microbio's microbial formulations are designed to mimic natural soil ecosystems, promoting the return of forests to their original, self-sustaining states. Sustainable practices. Our solutions reduce dependency on chemical fertilizers and synthetic pesticides, ensuring environmentally friendly forest restoration. Advanced technology integration. With cutting-edge monitoring and analytics tools, Microbio empowers stakeholders to manage forests more effectively and sustainably. Biodiversity as a priority. Microbio not only restores trees but also fosters a thriving habitat for diverse plant and animal species, creating a holistic ecosystem. Join the movement, protecting forests for future generations. At Microbio, we are not just restoring forests, we are securing a greener, healthier future for generations to come. Our innovative approach combines the best of nature and technology to ensure that forests remain a bastion of biodiversity and a crucial ally in the fight against climate change. By using Microbio's advanced products and monitoring systems, you can contribute to rebuilding forest ecosystems, transform degraded lands into thriving forests, enhancing carbon sequestration, help combat climate change effectively, preserving biodiversity, protect habitats for countless species.